Hello everyone. In this problem we have to find the value of x when x power x is minus 61 power 7442 is equal to 0. Let we move towards the solution. We can write it as x power x minus 61 power 2 times of 3721 is equal to 0. We can write this as x power x minus 61 square whole power 3721 is equal to 0, and we can write it as x power x minus 61 square is equal to 3721. So we can write it as 3721 power 3721 is equal to 0. Taking on the right this constant term, so x power x is equal to 3721 power 3721. Since base and exponent are same, if we have the formula, if a power a is equal to b power b, then this implies that a is equal to b. So from here we can write x is equal to 3721, which is the required answer. If you are new on my channel, then please subscribe and give a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.